TW200. He's got problems. Last week he had a dead battery. We were up on a trail in Logan Canyon. Got a video for that, and he stalled out, dead battery, and the starter wouldn't start. Tried to bump start it a couple times, and it was just a little rough up there. So we cut our day short, came back, and my other son tried to ride his TW up the hill and crashed into a tree. And then we got home and got the battery all charged up, and he's got problems with the starter on there. So we're gonna have to look into that. And then a couple days ago, my younger son took his motorcycle up to Ben Lomond Peak from North Ogden Divide, and got up there, all the switchbacks going up to the divide, or to to Ben Lomond Peak, and got a flat tire on his rear tire. So he walked it for a long ways, and ended up decided to ride it down. You know, that's like 9 miles. So he rode it down, buggered up his rim, but his rim wasn't great anyway, so he's gonna buy a new tire, new rim, and we'll be back at it together soon. But today I thought I'd do a little solo ride up here and try out this other trail. We've come up Lewis Peak side from North Ogden Pass, and you know, that's kind of sketchy for a guy like me. I'm almost 50 years old, and I know there's a lot more people out there that are a lot more experienced on these trails than me, so they make it look easy, but I've broken too many bones. I don't want to break anymore, so I try to be careful, and maybe a little too much, so I take it easy on these trails, but I still want to get out and do it. It's fun. I enjoy the outdoors. I hate these sharp corners. Yeah, I tried the other one. Last year I had a taller Honda, and I got on one of those switchbacks on Lewis Peak, and I parked on there, and I sat there and thought about my life choices. I put my bike up for sale that day. It was just too tall for me.
Well, maybe in a year or two I might do that.
It's fun.
Yeah, but I'm still getting exercise.
Yeah, that's better for you. Okay, man, take care.
My wife said I was cheap when I got the e-bike. I'm like, no, I'm just older. I need it.
Yeah, right? See ya. Guy. So I hit a couple forks in the trail back there, and I went left, hoping that that's the right one. I didn't see any signs towards Lewis Peak, so I don't know. It looks like I'm going the right way, I hope. So here I am at the top of this thing I just hiked up, thinking that this was Lewis Peak, but I don't think it is. So down there's my motorcycle, so I didn't want to ride it up this. But there's a trail that goes along this, around the other side, meets up over there, goes on up to that ridge, And I do believe that out there straight ahead is Lewis Peak. And that obviously is Ben Lomond Peak. There's no mistaking that one. So, but I'm tired. I'm gonna go back down and get my bike, and I'm gonna head back. I'll come back up here with my boys one day. We'll leave earlier in the day and we'll make it happen. Keep making these motorcycle ride trips and not reaching my goal. I could probably go out there. I could make it. But you know what? Maybe it's meant to be. I'll go with Wyatt and Ryan. We can sit out there together.